Vocab that you need to add to your scientific vocab notebook today is model. The definition is an object, diagram, or computer program that helps us understand something by making it easier to see. Make sure that you've put your page number in the bottom right-hand corner of the page, and then your 4 squares should look like the top left should have model in it. This definition should be in your top right square, along with some sort of picture to help you remember. My picture was just a small solar system model, because that's easy for me to remember. And then the bottom left-hand corner of this page should say some examples of models, and the bottom right-hand corner should have some non-examples. And then your next page in your notebook should have novae, is how you say that word. Novae are landforms on Venus. It's any landform on Venus that has a raised dome shape with cracks reaching outward in all directions. You'll see a better picture of that as we go along you'll read an article that has to do with these landforms in a little bit. If you need to, you might pause the video right now so that you can get those definitions down. What your table of contents should look like is that you have up to page 8 filled in. These are the vocab words that go with each of those page numbers. And then I put the habitable example up here again of how you set up that vocab notebook, just in case you needed it. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out.